Hi, Smiling ma'am. Very good afternoon. Saranya, hi. Welcome. Good afternoon, ma'am. Hi, Sumati ma'am. Very good afternoon, Sumati ma'am. Thanks for joining. So today, lots of beautiful collections I'm going to show you. So, mother of pearls pendant sets with the 80 zircons. And today, few of necklace collections with budget-friendly price and pendant sets and hair accessories and also with pearl collections, pearl necklace collections with zircon stones. So these are the collections we are going to see, and also coral collections with the colorful Victorian polished sets. Asha Tilak ma'am, hi. Bhagya Lakshmi ma'am, hi. Deepa, hi. Welcome. Good afternoon, Deepa. Thanks for joining. Priya, hi. Welcome, da. Yes, after a long time. Good afternoon, Wilma ma'am. I got the bangles so beautiful, better than gold bangles. Oh wow. Thank you, Sumati ma'am. Thank you so much. There was no live yesterday. Yes, ma'am. Subiksha, hi. మీ అమ్మ దగ్గరతో అడుగుతానే ఉంటిరా నేను మనిషినే కాను అనేసి థ్యాంక్ యూ సుభిక్ష థ్యాంక్ యూ సో మచ్ సో என்ன மாதிரி இன்னைக்கு கலெக்ஷன்ஸ்மே கார்ஜியஸா இருக்க போகுது ஆல் கலெக்ஷன்ஸ் ஆர் வெரி பியூட்டிஃபுல் டுடே ஸோ ஸ்டே டியூன் டோன்ட் மிஸ் எனி ஒன் ஆஃப் த பீஸ் டுடே ஆல் த கலெக்ஷன்ஸ் ஆர் டாஸ்லிங் டுடே ஸோ ஒவ்வொன்றும் அப்படியே ட்ரேல பார்க்குறப்பவே கலர்ஃபுல்லா இருந்துச்சு ஸோ உங்களுக்கு காமிக்கிறப்போ ஒவ்வொன்றும் காமிக்கிறப்போ அவ்வளோ அழகா இருக்கும்னு நினைக்கிறேன் தேங்க்ஸ் ஃபார் ஜாயினிங் அண்ட் என்ஜாய் த லைவ் டுடே So wait for a few more seconds. Some more people can join. We'll start with the live. Okay. So no messages. So எனக்கு தான் வரலையா ஹார்ட்டன்ஸ் லைக்ஸ் மட்டும் பறக்குது. Thank you so much for your heartens and likes. இந்த பக்கம் தள்ளு போர்டு தள்ளுடா இந்த தள்ளு போடு Rainbow Mayur ma'am, hi, welcome, good afternoon. Whitestone Jimki. Akka, do you have any rose gold short chain? Whenever available, please let us know, Akka. Okay, Shubiksha. Short chain చాలా డిజైన్స్ ఉంది Shubiksha. నువ్వు వాట్సాప్ రామా నేను చేస్తాను నీకు ఫొటోస్ పంపిస్తాను. Hi Bindu, welcome Bindu. Thanks for joining. Kavita, hi, welcome. Lata ma'am, hi, welcome. Good afternoon. Thanks for joining. So start panilama. Shall we start? Okay, Shubiksha. Hi Bindu, I'm fine Bindu. What about you? Vijayalakshmi ma'am, hi, welcome. Good afternoon. Aparna ma'am, hi, welcome. Speak Telugu well. Yes ma'am. Okay, I'll start with thumbs up వందర్చే బాగున్నారా ఎస్ చాలా బాగున్నాను అపర్ణ సో స్టార్ట్ చేసేస్తామా సో ఫస్ట్ ఏం పెండెంట్ చూపిస్తా అంటే చాలా బాగుంటుంది బ్యూటిఫుల్ మదర్ ఆఫ్ పర్ల్స్ ఇది ఎన్నిమే చూస్తుంటే మదర్ ఆఫ్ పర్ల్స్ వస్తుంది ఫుల్ ఆఫ్ ఏడీ జెర్కాన్ స్టోన్స్ సో అంత క్లారిటీగా ఉంది మేడం డిజైన్ అంత బాగుంది సూపర్ డిజైన్ విత్ ద ఇయర్ రింగ్స్ ఇట్స్ అ వెరీ లవ్లీ పీస్ వీ క్యాన్ కంబైన్ దిస్ విత్ ఎనీ సిల్వర్ చైన్స్ ఫర్ దిస్ So silver chains on post pandra. Hi Manjusha ma'am, welcome. Good afternoon. Thanks for joining. So it's a lovely piece, super duper piece ma'am. Shri Vidya ma'am, hi, welcome. Vanita ma'am, hi, welcome. Good afternoon. So idume cute ah irukku. Na onnu wear panni kaatren. Idla rendu polish irukku. So we have with onnu da irukka. So sorry ma'am, only in silver polish. Long time join. Yes ma'am. So in 1 week ellarume free aiduvinga nenikira. School open aachuna ellarume free da illa. So எல்லா அவுட்டிங்ஸ் எல்லாமே ஃபினிஷ் ஆயிருக்கும் இந்நேரத்துக்கு இந்த 1 வீக் எல்லா ஸ்கூல் பிஸி புக்ஸ் கவர் பண்ணணும் புக்ஸ் வாங்கணும் ஃபீஸ் கட்டணும் எஸ் ஐ எம் தெலுங்கு பிரீத்தி ஸோ திஸ் இஸ் அ லவ்லி பீஸ் சி த வெரி டாஸ்லிங் பீஸ் ஆஃப் மதர் ஆஃப் பர்ல்ஸ் இட்ஸ் அ லவ்லி பீஸ் மேம் இதுல வந்து ஒரு 10 பீசஸ் வந்துச்சு இப்ப 2 பீசஸ் தான் இருக்கு ஸோ எல்லா ஷாப்ல வந்து நேற்று எல்லாமே எடுத்துட்டாங்க தம்புடிக்கு பிஎஸ்ஜிలో கோர்ஸ் దొరికిందా లేఖమా இல்ல ஸ்ரீவித்யா மேம் பிஎஸ்ஜி கேன்சல் பண்ணிட்டேன் வேண்டாம்னு சொல்லிட்டேன் பெங்களூர்ல அட்மிஷன் போட்டாச்சு மேடம். ஹாய் சித்ரா மேம், வெல்கம். குட் ஆஃப்டர்நூன் சித்ரா மேம். ஸோ நேற்று ஆக்சுவலா பெங்களூர்ல தான் இருந்தேன். நேற்று அட்மிஷனுக்காக தான் போயிருந்தேன் பெங்களூருக்கு. நேற்று அட்மிஷன் முடிஞ்சிச்சு பெங்களூர்ல. சுமதி மேம், கிரைஸ்ட் யூனிவர்சிட்டி சுமதி மேம். So this is a very lovely piece. It's a beautiful piece of mother of pearls here. So it's a lovely piece with the mother of pearls full of. Hi Suma ma'am, very good afternoon. So this is the earrings. அவ்வளோ அழகா இருக்கு. No ma'am, BCom Honors. BCom Honors க்கு போட்டிருக்கேன். Hi Shubha, welcome Shubha. So this is also very unique piece and it's a lovely piece. I am from Bengaluru, then you have to learn Kannada. Yes ma'am. We are in Bangalore. Yeah, lots of Bangalore members are here in the live today. So in the back camera you can take a screenshot of this mother of pearls ma'am. See this piece also. It's a dazzling design you will be getting with this. Yes, I can visit you ma'am. See this piece. போதும் மீனா, போதும். So see this piece ma'am, it's a very beautiful piece and the mother of pearls is very unique and dazzling color combination. So these all of mother of pearls. Hi Rinta ma'am, welcome. Komala ma'am, hi. Well, I'm very good afternoon Komala ma'am. So earrings mein beautiful ah irukku. Superb earrings you will be getting with this. No ma'am, color fade avvadu madam. Lata ma'am, edume color fade avvadu. Chaana baaguntundi, quality superb ga untundi. With chain I'll tell the price ma'am. Chain or price? Yeah, it's a lovely piece. Pendant is priced for 2070 ma'am. 2070 for this pendant. So take a screenshot and come to the WhatsApp number. My daughter got in PSG Medical BPT Bachelor of Physiotherapy. Hey, superb Srividya ma'am. Congratulations சொல்லுங்க உங்க பொண்ணுக்கும். அவ்வளோ அழகா இருக்கு இந்த piece. Lovely piece. See this piece. வாவ், கண்டிப்பா எங்க வீட்டுக்கு வரணும். நியர் டு பேக் சைட் கேட் ஆஃப் கிரைஸ்ட் யூனிவர்சிட்டி, a house, don't miss. Yeah, okay Chitra ma'am, thanks for your invitation also. கண்டிப்பா வரேன். Lata ma'am, 2070 for the pendant. Chain எவ்வளவுமா? 400 2470 for the full set ma'am. 2470 for the chain, pendant and earrings. All together 2470. So the earrings is also very beautiful ma'am. Okay, 2470 rupees for the whole set you will be getting this. So next set will go. Next is also a lovely piece. I have 4 colors in that ma'am. 4 colors irukku. So that is also very beautiful. So see the color combination. Wow. It's a ruby, white mother of pearls and it's all wine color stones is here. So this is also very cute. See this design? It's a very beautiful design also. This is priced for 1950 ma'am. 1940. This is the pendant and earrings is very small earrings only for this. This is the earrings. 1950. So your son apted for hostel. அவர் 4 வருஷமே ஹாஸ்டல்ல தான் மேடம் இருக்காரு. 9th ல இருந்தே ஹாஸ்டல்ல தான் படிச்சிட்டு இருக்கான். So this is also very cute. Just call ma'am for any kind help. Oh, so thank you for your concern also ma'am. I'll call you. So this is also a lovely piece ma'am. So ரொம்ப அழகா இருக்கு. இதுல 4 கலர்ஸ் இருக்கு. 1950 for this piece. 1950. Thank you Srividya ma'am. Thank you so much. 1950 for this piece ma'am. Shanti ma'am, hi, welcome. Good afternoon Shanti ma'am. Hi Shobita. I'll show the colors. You can take a screenshot of all these colors. So this is the first one, which is with ruby and this is with the mother of pearls. 1950, 1950 for this color. So it's a fantastic color combination. It's ruby and see the back side of the view. You can wear with the crystals. You can go with the pearls also. Pearl kuda podla madam. No ma'am, I have to see for the hostel. Idu inimel da paakanu Chitra ma'am. So this is also very unique with a lovely piece with the ruby stones. Hi Kausi, welcome Kausi. So romba beautiful irukku. This is mother of pearls. This is the first one and I have the second one. This is with the green color. It's a lovely green and green color also we have the same earrings. 1950, 1950. 1950. This is green color. It's a bottle green ma'am. Nalla or dark blackish bottle green mari irukku. 1950 for this also. And one more color. This is ruby with green. Ruby, green and blue. Tricolor combination. This is also with the tricolor combination. And earrings also will be getting the same type with the blue, ruby and green. 1950. All are single pieces ma'am. Over piece da irukku. Yaararku venuma takkunu screenshot eduthu book panikonga. Booking number will be 7397739200. Yeah, it's very lovely, beautiful pieces, ma'am. Sumati ma'am, don't miss this. Avlo alaga irukku. See this pieces also. 1950 for this piece. 1950. This is also very cute and this is the backside view you'll be getting with this. And this last color, navy blue. So 4 colors I have shown in this ma'am. Ruby, bottle green, dark blue and tricolor combination. So these are the 4 colors I am showing now. So this is dark blue color. So you can go with the pearls, you can go with the chain. Idume chain oda potu kaatra eppadi irukku paarenga. Yeah, Shankari ma'am, see this piece. If you go with this, inu mal thookivinga. Inu thookunga. Yes. So if you go with the chains also, it will be lovely ma'am. See this piece. 1950 and chain will be 400 ma'am. 2 plus point solra. So it's a 3-layer chain, you can wear this. So chain is also quality will be superb with the 3 layers and it's a twisted chain ma'am. It's a very beautiful twisted chain. 2350 for the whole set ma'am. Hi Nadia, welcome Nadia. 2350 rupees for the chain, pendant and earrings all together. Hi Vasantama, welcome. Kavita, hi, welcome. Jagadamba ma'am, vanakkam. So next is also a beautiful pendant with zircon stones. So this is the backside view of the pendant. So this is very cute and earrings is also very beautiful ma'am. 1840, 1840 for this piece. 1840. 1840 ma'am. Hi Pallavi Desai. Show the green. Yeah, I'll show the green Vilma ma'am. One sec. Yeah, you can take a screenshot Vilma ma'am. This is the green color and green color earrings. You can take screenshot. Is it okay Vilma ma'am? View is clear. Hi Shaila ma'am. Very good afternoon Shaila ma'am. Thanks for joining. 1950 ma'am. 1950. How many lines crystal it can take? Ma'am, 10 lines can take into this Suma ma'am. 10 lines podlam. 10 lines, 8 lines, 6 lines, whatever you wish. Maximum 10 lines can go into that. Pearl this won't peel ma'am. This all original pearls Chitra ma'am. All are real pearls. It won't peel, don't worry. Original pearls. It's mother of pearls. It won't peel in water also. Don't worry. See this piece. It's a very unique piece now. Okay, well, ma'am. Thank you. All are single pieces only, ma'am. No multiples in stock. So this is also very cute. 1840 rupees, ma'am. 1840 for this piece. 1840. Hi, Moni. Welcome, Moni. Good afternoon. So next I'll go with the one more pendants. It's all a small pendants I'm going to show. So this is a very beautiful heart shape. Yes, Chitra ma'am. Victorian polished down. So this is very cute with the heart shaped pendant sets. It's a beautiful piece ma'am. This is with the blue color and this is with the earrings you will be getting. small pieces, and kids can wear it, ma'am. Kids podla, தாராளமா போடலாம், ரொம்ப அழகா இருக்கும். And also college going girls can wear this. So I will match this with the beautiful simple chain for this. It's a Victorian, but this is also silver polish chain I'm going to show with you. Awesome pendant set. Yes, Jagadamba ma'am. Thank you. So see this, you can wear with college going girls, avlo beautiful podla madam, romba alaga irukum the piece potanga. See how clarity it looks. Hi Usha Rani ma'am, welcome. So in this I have 4 color combinations ma'am. 1200 for this full set. 1200. 1200 with the chain ma'am. 1200 like a silver that day you show ma'am. Yes, it's like a silver itself ma'am. Apre silver mariye da irukkum. So in this I have lots of color combinations. I'll go with the colors. So one is I have green color, I have blue color, and I have ruby color. All are very beautiful heart in shape. And I have a beautiful golden yellow ma'am. So this is golden yellow. So yellow color I have matched with the golden chain also for this. You can go with this. So 4 colors available. Ruby, bottle green, dark blue and yellow color, golden yellow. So 4 colors available. Take a screenshot and come to the WhatsApp number. 1200 for the whole set ma. 1200. 1200 with the chain. So I'll wear and show a single piece. You can go through this now. Or piece mattu potu kaatra kalthula eppadi irukku paarenga. So this is very unique. So I'll go with the golden yellow and I'll show it, okay? So see this piece. It's a very unique, and chain will be getting 20 inches height for this chain, and this is the height, normal height you will be getting with this. And earrings is also too good. Superb earrings you will be getting with the heart shape. Small one. It's a lovely piece. 1200 ma. 1200. 1200 for this piece. Pink bead set arrived as usual. Awesome. Thanks. Okay, Chitra ma'am. Thanks for your shopping. So see, this yellow is also very beautiful ma'am. Avlo alaga irukku yellow, golden yellow. So 4 colors I have shown you in this. So one is dark blue, one is ruby, one is bottle green, and one is golden yellow. So these are the color combinations I have shown you in this. Okay. So next color I'll go to, next design. So next is also a fantastic small ruby pendant, and this is a shape is very different. Good afternoon Lakshmi ma'am. So see the shape also. It's a very beautiful shape. You will be getting a small ruby pendant with the white leaf stones. நீங்க ஐப்ரோஸ் எங்க மேம் ட்ரிம் பண்றீங்க? சேலம்ல தான் மேடம் ட்ரிம் பண்றேன். So this is the piece. And this is the earrings. So இதுக்குமே ஒரு அழகான செயின் தான் மேட்ச் பண்ணிருக்கேன். It's a beautiful silver chain. இதோட பிரைஸ் என்னடா பெண்டன்ட்டோட பிரைஸ்? 860. Ma'am, 960 with the chain ma'am. 960 rupees with the chain, pendant and earrings. 960 ரூபாய் தான் வருது. Only 960. Small pendant sets. இது எல்லாமே குட்டீஸ்க்கு போட்டா அழகா இருக்கும். குட்டீஸ் பாவாடை சட்டைக்கு போட்டாலும் அழகா இருக்கும், இல்ல ஃப்ராக்ஸ்க்கு போட்டாலும் அழகா இருக்கும். Only for 960 rupees for the whole set. 960. I received my neck set and earrings as usual. Awesome. Thank you Asha ma'am. Thank you so much for your beautiful reviews in the live itself. So next is also a very beautiful set I am going to show. So this is very classy ma'am. See the pendant and the earrings. It's too beautiful and it's very trendy. And see this. It's a lovely finish. And this is with the earrings. So earrings will be with the Bali type. It's a beautiful ring type earrings, and the pendant is also very beautiful in this. Lekama, how are you and your family and your staffs? Rajeshwari ma'am, all are good ma'am. Thank you so much. Thanks for joining. So see this piece. So pendant set will be priced for 610 rupees ma'am. And chain will be 480. Lovely super kutti pendant set. Ama madam. 610 with 480 for the chain. 1090. 1090 madam. 1090 for the whole set. It's all imported chains ma'am. Imported chains with imported pendant sets. 1090 for this full set you will be getting with that. 1090 rupees for this piece. Next also it's a lovely rose gold set ma'am. Rose gold chain someone have asked. Subiksha, Nuda adigithin telcha rose gold chain. Yes Chitra ma'am, pendant set மட்டும் தனியா வாங்கிக்கோங்க, chain வேண்டாம்னா. நான் சும்மா செட் பண்ணி காமிச்சிட்டு இருக்கேன் மேடம். உங்களுக்கு எது செட் செயின் வேணா செயின் வாங்கிக்கோங்க, இல்ல pendant set வேணா pendant set வாங்கிக்கலாம். So no worries ma'am. So நான் செயினோட மேட்ச் பண்ணி காமிச்சிட்டு இருக்கேன் உங்களுக்கு எல்லாமே. So this pendant set will be priced for 1770 rose gold ma'am. Rose gold pendant set 1770. 1770 for this piece. And chain will be 390 ma'am. 390 for the chain. Pendant set will be 1770. On the whole the set will be 2150. 2150 for the whole set ma'am. It's a very beautiful AD zircons will be filled in this. And this is the rose gold polish. See the polish at the back side. It's a beautiful rose gold polish you will be getting with this. Hi Bharati, welcome Bharati. Good afternoon Bharati. So this is also very cute. It's a very lovely piece. The pendant is for 400 rupees ma'am. 400 and the pearls will be, pearls 240. Ma'am, total set will be 650 rupees ma'am with the back chain. 650 for the total set. 650. There is no earrings for this. Idhukku vanda earrings kadayadu. Only 2-line pearls in the pendant will come. Only for 650 rupees for the whole set. Pearls and the very beautiful Kempu pendant with the Chandbali pattern. And the pearls is very beautiful. 650 for this. 650 mattunda. 650. Only 650 dearies. Take a screenshot and come to the WhatsApp number. All are very cute pieces. 650 only for this piece. Thank you for your heartings and likes dearies. Thank you so much. Yeah Chitra ma'am. So next we'll go for next is a very beautiful piece which I am going to show. It's a very lovely Kempu pendant set ma'am. So beautiful on a Kempu pendant with full of florals we'll be getting with this and with the Guntu Pusal model. And I have combined this with a lovely piece of 10 layers of crystals. With the green crystals I have customized this. See this piece. It's a very unique piece ma'am. Avlo clarity irukku pendant. Kempu is also very good. So see this piece. It's a unique piece and you have a cute jimki for this. Avlo alaga irukku jimki. Pendant oda price ta innor color irukka? Illa oru color da 1400 madam. 1000 is back camera il 1400 for the pendant set and crystal will be 680 ma'am. 680 ரூபாய் crystal, இது வந்து 1480, 1480. So total set 1400 1400 plus 680 போடு. So see this piece. 2080 rupees for the whole set ma'am. 2080. This is with a red and green combo. So one more color I have show. Is it correct? Narrowing. Good melving. Yes. See this piece. It's a beautiful pendant set, ma'am. Lovely piece, and this is with the Kempo. 2080. Hi Vijayalakshmi ma'am. Welcome. Good afternoon, Vijayalakshmi ma'am. 2080 rupees for this set. 2080 with the crystal. Crystal went on 1400 you have to pay. 1400. Next is also a lovely Chandbali pattern with a beautiful Nella Peramari irukum. Romba alaga irukum. So this is for 670 rupees ma. 670. So you can simply attach any chains or nothing in this. You can use it as a hair accessories also. Idu vandu jadaila pin madri kuda use panikalam. This is with the hoop type, and this is 670 rupees. Rendu color irukka oru color da irukka? Only one color, ma'am. Only one color in this. It's a beautiful piece. Only for 670 rupees, ma'am. 670. Take a screenshot and come to the WhatsApp number. You can insert this with a ball chain also. You can use this with the ball chain. Idu apdiye neenga hook la idu panikalam. Yeah, you can hang it like this. Yeah, well, ma'am. It's a very beautiful piece. Only for 670 rupees for the pendant set, ma'am. And chain will be 390, ma'am. 390 for the ball chain and for 670 for the pendant. So if you want with the pendant, you can go with the pendant. Or if you want to go with the chain, without chain, you can go without chain also. So this is also in the same type as the hook here, given in the hook. So this is also with the hook type. Backside hook. Yeah, back chain will be 4 mm Vasantama. So idoda piece paranga, it's a very lovely piece with the Chandbali pattern. This is for 610. 610, we have two color combinations. One is with Kempo and one is with red and green. So two colors we have in this. 610 madam, 610. Hi Shashikala ma'am, very good afternoon. Thanks for joining. Only for 610 for this piece. So same type you will be getting the hook at the back side. So this is also one unique pendant. This is also without earrings, ma'am. Hi Rupa, welcome Rupa. So idhilime earrings kadayadu. No earrings, only with the Kempo, ma'am. Full Kempo and green beads. This is for 1170 and the hoop will be in this type. You can go with the crystals, ball chain or rope chain, whatever chain you need, you can go with this. 1170. Hi Kasturi ma'am, welcome. 1170 ma'am. 1170. Manju, hi Manju, welcome Manju. Your classmates alla varangappa live ku. So this is also very beautiful. 1170 for this piece. 1170. So next I'm going to show some neck sets for you. So it's all dazzling pieces with the pearl jewelry. And see, this is a pearl necklace with full of zircon stones with the florals. Avlo cute are in the piece podradhuke. And earrings is also very beautiful. 2210 rupees for this set. 2210 for this set, ma. Romba alaga irukku piece. It's a fantastic piece. Sabhi ma'am, hi, welcome, good afternoon ma'am. I'll show with the earrings itself. 2210 rupees for this set. 2210. This is the earrings. 2210, and this is a very beautiful rich collection. It's all trendy ones ma'am. You can wear it for frocks, you can wear it for lehengas, you can go with the cotton sarees, silk sarees, for everything you can wear this. Yes Lata ma'am, it's a lovely piece, don't miss this. 2210 rupees, full of zircons with the silver polish, and you'll be getting here and there pearls will be attached there. Hi Aishwarya, welcome Aishwarya. Eppadi irkeenga? So I'll show in the back camera, you can take a screenshot ma'am. இன்னும் இருக்குடா, அவ்வளோ மேலே வைக்காதீங்க, கீழே வைங்க, அப்போதான் தெரியும் எனக்கு. Yes. See the florals ma'am, very beautiful florals, and the pearls are very lovely. This அவ்வளோ அழகா இருக்கு, and this is the earrings. 2210 for this piece ma'am. 2210 rupees for this piece. 2210. Next comes with the 3/4 necklace. This is also with the zircons, and you will be getting all colors in this piece. You have baby pink, navy blue, bottle green, yellow, mint green, baby pink, grey and blue. All stone colors in one piece. Hi Shanti Devi ma'am, very good afternoon. See this piece ma'am. It's a very lovely attagasamana piece. Romba alaga irukku. It's a Victorian polish neck set. So I'll wear and show. This is a 3/4 model, and it's very unique also for this piece. And this is with the beautiful set you will be getting with this. And these all are corals ma'am. Center part you will be getting filled with corals. So this is the earrings. 2080 rupees for this set. I have two colors ma'am. Full green one piece and multicolors one piece. This is a multicolor. Beautiful multicolor combination with the corals with the Victorian polish. 2080 rupees. 2080. 2080. And one more color I have, I'll show in the back camera, you can take a screenshot. So this is green color ma, beautiful green. Hi Pavani ma'am, welcome, good afternoon Pavani ma'am. And this is the baby pink. And earrings. 2080 ma, two colors we have in this. Only two colors. And these all are exactly looks like diamond itself ma'am. No words to explain this loveliness. It's a fantastic design combinations we have. And next வந்து பாத்தீங்கன்னா அப்படியே diamond மாதிரியே இருக்கு. Black silver polish. Yes, Mylan ma'am, it's a black silver polish. So this is a pure silver polish. It looks like exact diamond look for this necklace. And see this piece. Avlo alaga irukku piece. It's a delicate and elegant one for this piece. See this piece. And earrings is also very pretty, and it's a small earrings for this piece. This is earrings. Wow. How is this ma'am? Eppadi irukku? Can anybody guess the price for this ma'am? Prices yara guess panna mudiyuma idoda price? Hi Srividya ma'am, welcome, good afternoon. Earrings is also very cute. It looks like exact diamond. Yeah, it's very cute ma'am. Super barku. So it's a lovely finish also. Finish will be awesome. So this is price for 1260 rupees ma'am. 1260. 1260. 1260 for this piece. Oh, 2,750. Ayyo, Komla ma'am. Why so much amount for this? It's very elegant piece. 2,200. No, Chitra ma'am. No, Chitra ma'am. So, is that a price solita? 1260 ma'am. Prasunna, hi Prasunna, welcome. Shubha ma'am, hi, welcome. Good afternoon. 1,260 only. 1260. Only 3 pieces I have. Taka screenshot at the book panikonga. Super bark piece. No chance of this elegantness. So, I'll show in the back camera. You can take a screenshot of this. Yeah, I will show in back camera, Chitra ma'am. Innum pakkathula vada. Yes, it's a very good price. See the finishing also, ma'am. All are real, look like diamond itself. என்னோட ஜிம்கியா நான் காட்டுறேன் மேடம், காட்டுறேன். 1,260. 1,260 for this piece. எடுத்துடா. So I'll show my jimki which I am wearing. 650 rupees, ma'am. 650 for this jimki. I'll show in the back camera. In the jimki da madam na potiruken. Your video paused da. Illiye video poitu dhaan irukku. My video didn't pause, ma'am. It's going on. Only for 650 for this piece. 650. I thought maybe since it is zircons, it will cost that much. Okay, Komla ma'am, no worries. So next is also zircon necklace which I am going to show. This is a dark ink blue which I am wearing. Hi Tejashwini, welcome Tejashwini. This is a dark blue color dearies. So evlo cute ah irukku parunga. So it's a beautiful geometric pattern with the blue color stones at the top and full of white stones at the bottom. And the blue color stones is surrounded with a border of white stones, ma'am. White stones border place irukku. These all are full of zircons and these all are zircons only. I'll show with the earrings itself. So we have 2 color combinations. One is with ruby and one is with dark blue. Okay, 2 colors I have in this. Both the colors look very pretty. 1,750. 1,750 madam. 1,750 rupees for this piece. 1,750. So see this piece. This is with the earrings. 1,750. All jewels wear is too good. Thank you, Bona ma'am. 1,750. 1,750 for this piece. I'll show you the back camera. You can take a screenshot. Yes. Beautiful. Yes, Lata ma'am. Each and every piece is very unique in this. 1,750 ma'am. 1,750. See the color combination and the designs. It's a beautiful blue color with the white color stones. It's a flexible one, ma'am. Romba flexible piece paakradhukku. 1,750 and the earrings is also too good. Thank you, Akila ma'am. Hi, welcome, Akila ma'am. Ma'am, அடுத்தது வந்து ஒரு அழகான பட்ஜெட் ஃப்ரெண்ட்லி கலெக்ஷன் தான் காமிக்க போறேன். So that is very lovely, ma'am. எல்லாமே பாத்தீங்கன்னா 600-700 range தான். So next it is coming with all our 600-700 range. The color combinations are too good, ma'am. Don't miss the color combinations. So in this I have lovely color combinations. Pearls we have, green color I have, kempu I have. So each and every piece will be very unique in this. So you can go through. Only for 620 rupees. Hi Malin ma'am, very good afternoon. 620. 620 only for this piece. See this piece, ma'am. Full of pearls, ma'am. Full of pearls you will be getting. And top layer full of square stones. Hi Suma ma'am, very good afternoon. And earrings is also too good in this. Ayyo, idhora earrings inge irukda. Da. Yeah, Boona ma'am. Only for 620. 620. 620 for this piece. The earrings is also very lovely in this. See the earrings. Only 620. Shyamla Gayu ma'am, welcome. Good afternoon Shyamla Gayu. How it looks ma'am? Eppadi irukku? 620 ku very beautiful. I have 3 color combinations. I have full kempu also in this. Full kempu. It's a beautiful kempu I have. So avlo alaga irukku. Kempu and I have full green also in this. This is green and this is kempu. Video not clear ah? No Shashikala ma'am. It's clear only Shashikala ma'am. Clear ah dana irukku. Ma'am, anybody who receives this issue, ma'am, how long it is? Long ivlodha madam varum. If you want a back chain, you can drop with 2 inches, ma'am. Innor 2 centimeters neenga vandu irakkalam avlodha. Adukku mele idu panna mudiyadhu. Yeah, it's clear. Okay, Chitra ma'am. Okay. Then your oh, thank you, Akila. Back chain 4 inches, Radha ma'am. 4 inches podlam back chain. That's it. Okay, it's clear. Okay, ma'am. Okay. I'll show you the back camera. You can take a screenshot, ma'am. So this is white. So this is white I have. What did I take? This yes. This is white. I have one more with a lovely green color. It's a beautiful green. Yes, this is green color and I have one more color kempu. With the jimki it is priced for 620 rupees only. 620 ரூபாய் தான் மேடம் வருது. டக்குனு ஸ்கிரீன்ஷாட் எடுத்து புக் பண்ணிக்கோங்க. போதும்டா. 620 only for this piece. Only 620 ma. Don't miss this chances ma. எல்லாமே factory price sales தான் கொடுத்துட்டு இருக்கேன். Factory sale price. 620 only with the jimki. Just 620 rupees for these sets. ஜிம்கி எங்க இது டிசைன் வேற அது வேறடா 3 லைன் 2 லைன். So next one the அழகான pearl necklace தான் காட்ட போறேன். Only one color pearl is available. So lots of multiples we have in this pearls. So in the price ku chance illa. So grab it your soon. This is priced only for 660. 660 for this piece. 660 ரூபாய் மட்டும் தான் மேடம். 3 layer pearls. This is oval shape, this is circle shape and this is mango. So 3 shape irukku. Oval, circle and mango. 660 for this. 660 ரூபாய் மட்டும் தான் வருது. புடிச்சுக்கோங்க. Only for 660 dearies with the jimki. Just 660 rupees. 660 ரூபாய் மட்டும் தான். Take a screenshot and come to the WhatsApp number 7397739200 for all your bookings. Just 660 rupees dearies. Take a screenshot and come to the WhatsApp number. Only for 660 rupees. Jimki kilo vandiruchu paru. Yes, lovely ma'am. Lovely kiya Kumla ma'am. 660 ku chance illa madam. Superba irukku. Correct ah theriyudhu. 660 ரூபாய்க்கு சான்ஸே கிடையாது. The pearl finishing is all too good, ma'am. In the pearls finishing, mango, oval, and you'll be getting circle shape also. Just 660 rupees only. So this is also very cute. It's a turquoise blue, ma'am. Turquoise blue set. யாருக்கு வேணுமோ immediate WhatsApp பண்ணுங்க. So this is 2 layers. One is circle and one is mango. And this is priced for rupees 600 rupees, ma'am. Just 600 rupees only for this piece. It's a turquoise blue 600. Ma'am, இது நீங்க dearest lovely ones க்கு யாருக்கா gift பண்ணனும்னா இது வாங்கி gift பண்ணலாம் மேடம். மேரேஜ்க்கு இது மாதிரி ஏதாவது gift பண்ணா நீங்க வாங்கிக்கலாம். ரொம்ப அழகா இருக்கும். So it's a lovely turquoise blue you will be getting with this set. And this is with the earrings. Only 600 rupees for this piece. அவ்வளோ ஒரு யூனிக்கான செட், டிஃபரெண்டா இருக்கும். கலர் காம்பினேஷன் இது வரைக்கும் எதுலையுமே வந்ததே கிடையாது இந்த டர்காய்ஸ் ப்ளூ. ஒன்லி 600 மேம். இமீடியட்டா வாட்ஸ்அப் பண்ணிக்கோங்க. எல்லாமே 2 pieces 3 pieces தான் இருக்கு, நிறைய கிடையாது, பீசஸ் நிறைய இல்ல. எஸ், இன் திஸ் ஒன்லி 1 color வசந்தம்மா, ஒன்லி 1 color. சித்ரா மேம் இமீடியட்டா வாட்ஸ்அப் போயிடுங்க சித்ரா மேம். நிறைய கலர்ஸ் நிறைய லான்ச் ஆகிட்டே இருந்துச்சு. இப்போ வந்து இந்த மாதிரி டிஃபரெண்டான கலர் இதுதான் ஃபர்ஸ்ட் டைம் வந்திருக்கு. ஆஸ் யூஷுவல் கெம்பு கிரீன் எல்லாம் நிறைய இருக்கும், ஆனா இந்த கலர் வந்து ரொம்ப யூனிக்கா இருக்கு மேடம். இந்த கலர் see the color combination, it's a different color and the jimki is also too good. Only 600 rupees for this piece. 600 ரூபாய் மட்டும்தான். so immediate யாருக்கு வேணுமா immediate வாட்ஸ்அப் பண்ணி ஸ்கிரீன்ஷாட் பண்ணிடுங்க மேடம். ஸ்கிரீன்ஷாட் பண்ணிக்கோங்க, வாட்ஸ்அப் போயிடுங்க இமீடியட்டா. பீசஸ் கிடையாது, நிறைய பீசஸ் இல்ல, 2 to 3 pieces தான் இருக்கு. யா ஓகே கோமலா மேம். ஹாய் கீர்த்தி, வெல்கம் கீர்த்தி. ஸ்ரீனு மௌனவாஷ் கீர்த்தி எடுத்துருமா. So next is also very compact and unique set. This is with a multicolor Navaratnas and I have Kempu with green also. 2 colors available. So I'll wear and show this piece also. So இது அப்படியே என்னோட ட்ரெஸ்ஸுக்கு எக்ஸாக்ட் மேட்ச் மேடம், என்னோட சாரிக்கு. So this is a single layer. So this is matching for my exact sari look and the earrings is also too good. The price 400 rupees for this piece. Only 400 rupees. Just 400 rupees for this piece. It's a multicolor. இந்த மாதிரி multicolor sareesக்கு நீங்க போட்டா சூப்பரா இருக்கும். See this piece. Just 400 rupees and it's the top style earrings you will be getting. 2 colors available. Ruby green and Navaratna. So this is a Navaratna color which I am wearing. It's matching for my sari. Delicate and அழகா இருக்கு. ஆமா மேடம், gift கொடுக்கிறதுக்கு ரொம்ப எக்ஸாக்ட்டா இருக்கும் மேடம். இது குட்டீஸ் போடலாம், நம்ம மாதிரி எல்டர்ஸும் போடலாம், எல்லாத்துக்குமே அழகா இருக்கும் இந்த கலர் காம்பினேஷன். So இந்த this is இதுல வந்து pearls இருக்கு, கெம்பு, turquoise blue, bottle green, dark blue. So all colors in one piece. Only 400 rupees for this piece. I'll show the 2 colors in the back camera. You can take a screenshot. So this is turquoise blue, green, dark blue, pearl, and this is 1 color. So 2 colors we have in this. 400 rupees for this piece. Hi Lakshmi. Isari Salem Raleda Lakshmi holidays ke Rane leda angadi pakka. 400 only ma, only 400 for this piece. நான் இதோட கம்மல் வெச்சுக்கோங்க மீனா. So அடுத்தது வந்து ஒரு யூனிக்கான கலெக்ஷன் தான் காட்ட போறேன். நெக்ஸ்ட் இஸ் ஆல்சோ வெரி பியூட்டிஃபுல் வித் த விக்டோரியன் ஷெட்ஸ். So I am going with a very, it's all rose gold polish ma'am. Rose gold யாராருக்கு வேணுமோ டக்குன்னு எடுத்துக்கலாம். சூப்பர்பான rose gold polish. And the chain is very different to this rose gold. It's a leafy pattern. Leaf pattern rose gold. And this is the set. It's a sea blue. Beautiful sea blue necklace. I have three color combinations in this. One is sea blue, one is ruby, and one is green with ruby and white color. It's a multicolor. Meena ma'am, hi, welcome. Good afternoon, Meena ma'am. Avlo alaga irukku madam rose gold. Rose gold polish is too good in this. So it's a beautiful sea blue necklace you can wear with all the sarees. It will go well with this rose gold. Oh, so beautiful. Thank you, Kamala ma'am. So this is a blue color. It's a very beautiful sea blue with Victorian polish with zircon stones and rose gold polish. Victorian rose gold polish will be mixed in this and the Zircons and the color stones are full of very beautiful combination. So this is the blue color. 1960 ma'am, 1960 for this piece. So if you can adjust the height also. You can adjust the height also ma'am. You have adjustable rings also in the back side. So you can adjust the height, and the necklace design is very beautiful and clarity also. So see the colors, I'll show the colors in the back camera. So two more colors I have. One is sea blue, one is ruby ma'am. So it's a fantastic ruby with today also collection. Hi Padma ma'am, Suganta ma'am, thank you so much. So I'll show all the colors in this. This is ruby color. This is sea blue color. And I have one more color, ruby green. So these are the three colors we have in this. So take a screenshot ma'am. All colors mein super bar kodla. Swati, hi, welcome Swati. Earrings mein different arga. It's a beautiful earrings you'll be having with us. 1960 ma'am, 1960 for this piece. 1960. Hi Swati, welcome dear. So அடுத்தது ஒரு அழகான செட் தான். It's a floral collection and earrings is also with the beautiful colorful earrings you'll be getting with us. So I'll go with the Kempu and Varun show the Kempu necklace, and earrings is also too good. This is priced for 450. Only for 450 rupees for this piece. 450. This is a Kempu. See this Kempu, it's a floral collection ma'am. Beautiful floral with the Kempu, and earrings is very small earrings you will be getting with us with the Kempu. 450 rupees for this piece. 450. In this also I have 4 color combinations ma. 4 color mein superb. Navaratna, bottle green, ruby green and Kempu. So this is the earrings. Apne kaadu model kule madagirum ungalku. So it will be very compact for your ears also. This is priced for 450 rupees only. 4 colors I'll show in the back camera for you now. So this is Navaratna, this is green. I have Kempu with green. And this is full Kempu. 4 colors available. So earrings is also too good. Small earrings, and this is the next sets. Only for 450 earrings, 450 mattunda. Just 450. Hi Venkatamani ma'am, welcome. Good afternoon. Thanks for joining. And இது வந்து இப்ப நெக்ஸ்ட் கலெக்ஷன் என்ன செட்னா ஃபுல்லாவே கோல்டு மாதிரியே இருக்கிற கலெக்ஷன்ஸ் தான் காமிக்க போறேன். So exactly it looks like gold itself. So now I am coming with a beautiful Ram Parivar ma'am. அழகான Ram Parivar with the mangoes. So இது ஒன்னு போட்டாலே போதும், silk saree-க்கு ரொம்ப அழகா இருக்கும், and it will be very grand look for your sarees and all. So one is more enough, and this is a 3/4 neck set ma'am. Mid length haram. So it's a lovely finish. So see this. So this is the height you will be getting for this necklace. It's a Ram Parivar set with full of mangoes with a border eddy stones, and the earrings is also too good. Your price is 2,608. So 2,860 ma'am. 2,860 for this piece. Ennachu I color the 2,860 for this piece dears. 2,860 rupees. It's a Ram Parivar ma'am. Full Ramar Pattabhishekam with mangoes filled with full of eddy stones at the border. Green and red Kempu is also filled with. It's an exact gold finish. Appade gold madre irukku, don't miss this. Not well ma'am. You have cold I think. Ama Vasantha ma'am. நேற்று கொஞ்சம் மழையில் நினைஞ்சிட்டேன் முந்தா நேற்று, அதனால கொஞ்சம் லைட்டாக கோல்டு. கரெக்டாக. So dull also. So this is also with a very beautiful Ram Parivar with red and green campu, and see the finish how it looks. 2,860 rupees for this set, ma. 2860. So take a screenshot and come to the WhatsApp, dearies. Very beautiful set, full of gold pattern and full of stones also. இதுக்கு ஏதாவது ஃபுல் செயின் போட்டு வந்தீங்கன்னா கழுத்து போட்டுருப்பேன்ல, செயினே இல்லை. இல்லைடா, பேக் செயின் பிடிச்சிக்கிறேன். ஸோ நெக்ஸ்ட் வந்து ஒரு அழகான அட்டிகை டைப் மாடல் தான். ஸோ திஸ் இஸ் வித் இது கூட டிபியில் வச்சிருந்தேன் மேடம், ஃபேஸ்புக் டிபியில் கூட வச்சிருந்தேன் இந்த செட்டு. அப்படியே அழகா ஒரு சின்ன நெக்லஸ் மாதிரியே போட்டுக்கலாம் ஃபங்க்ஷனுக்கு, இயரிங்ஸ் கொடுக்கலாம். So earrings is very lovely with the small weightless earrings. See the earrings in this. So this is the next set you will be getting with this. 970 rupees, ma'am. 970. Only for 970 with the beautiful one gold ball hanging with the chakra type, and this is the set, Lakshmi set with a beautiful Adigai pattern necklace, and this is priced for rupees 970 rupees, ma'am. 970. Only for 970. 3 colors available, full campo, full green and red and green combination. 3 colors available in this. கீழ இருக்குடா இது. இன்னும் இருக்கு. ரெண்டு வச்சிருக்கறேன். சூட் ஆகல. இன்னும் கை கீழ கொண்டு வா. கரெக்ட். So this is campo, this is green, and I have very beautiful earrings also for this. Hi Suja, welcome Suja. Only for 970 ma. 970 with the back chain. 970 rupees only. Take a screenshot and come to the WhatsApp numbers. 970. Eduthuda. Crystal string price, Chitra ma'am, 60 rupees one string, and light colors will be 100 rupees, Chitra ma'am. So this is also very cute, and see the finish, green stones, campo, white stones, and it's a 3/4 model. It's a very beautiful finish, ma'am. And earrings is also very lovely in this. So see the earrings. Hi Lata Gandhi ma'am, welcome. 1200 madam, 1200 rupees for this piece. 1200. This is also 3/4 finish. I'll wear and show this piece for you. Only for 1200 ma'am. 1200 ரூபாய் தான் வருது. அவ்வளவு அழகா இருக்கு பீஸ். Very beautiful piece. Let's see this piece. Only 1200 ma'am with the earrings. One two 00. And next one, it's a beautiful choker ma. Choker mein idu or tray thane. So it's a lovely choker with a beautiful Annapakshi at the center, peacocks and gold hangings at the center, with full of kempu surrounded with the borders. And sorry, it's not kempu, ruby stones ma'am. Sorry. And earrings में cute आ रखे, ये रेड कलर दाने, अदा अदे कलर दा रखे, अदे ना कलर अदनी वैसे कर, ruby green, इधर ruby green आ, इधर ruby. So I have full ruby and also ruby green I have ma'am, 2 colors available in this and earrings. So ये choker रोम्बा cute आ रखो, निगे necklace माधुरी पोटकला, choker माधुरी पोटकला, ये price है 1770 rupees ma'am. 1770 with the earrings. 1770 for this piece. So avlo cute ah irukku. See the finish ma'am. அவ்வளோ பியூட்டிஃபுல்லாக இருக்கு பீஸ். It's very cute with the golden hangings also with this. 1770 ma'am. 1770. எடுத்துடா. எறும்பா? Hi Pallavi Sanjay ma'am, welcome, good afternoon. எடுத்துடா. Sweeter கேட்டுட்டாங்க. So next comes with the beautiful 3/4 necklace and the jimki is very good in this ma'am. Superbana jimki mein irukku, very beautiful. So I'll wear and show with the jimki itself. See this piece. Wow. அவ்வளோ அழகா இருக்கு. Full of white stones, kempu and emerald stones. It's a mid-length haram ma'am. Superb mid-length haram you will be getting this. Wow. எப்படி இருக்கு? It's a beautiful finish and the peacock jimki is exact like gold itself ma'am. With the jimki. So see how it looks on the saree. So இந்த மாதிரி நார்மல் சாரிக்கு இவ்வளோ அழகா இருக்கு. அப்போ இன்னும் நீங்க கிராண்ட் சில்க் சாரிக்கெல்லாம் போட்டீங்கன்னா இன்னும் அட்டகாசமா இருக்கும். If you wear it on plain saree, dark color sarees, it will be very glittering ma'am. 3,410 rupees for this piece. 3,410. This beautiful peacocks will be coming at the sides and florals, lotus will be coming at the sides, and these all are leaf pattern designs. So all in one pattern ma'am, and one jimki is also hanging at the bottom. 3,410. 3,410 rupees for this piece. And the jimki is very beautiful in this. I'll show in the back camera. See the workmanship of this ma'am. See this piece. So it's a beautiful peacock and small stones is filled with this, and lotus also, so with the sides and also top part. So how many designs you will be having in one pattern? $3,410 ma'am. 3,410. Hi Neeraja ma'am, welcome. Good afternoon Neeraja ma'am. 3,410. So don't miss this ma'am. ரொம்ப அழகா இருக்கு. ஏன்னா இது காஸ்டுக்கு தகுந்த மாதிரி இதோட ஒர்க்மேன்ஷிப் சூப்பர்பா இருக்கு. And these all are gold polish ma'am. அப்படியே gold polish தான் காமிச்சிட்டு இருக்கேன். No silver polish in this. Only gold polish available in this. So this is also look like gold only. Hi Suja. Thank you Suja. So see this finish also. Elilasi ma'am, welcome. Good afternoon Elilasi ma'am. So idume parunga ivlo alaga irukku. And earrings is also small one earrings you will be getting with this. It's a beautiful small earrings. Idoda price da? Price sollu. 1,260 rupees ma'am. 1,260 for this piece. 1,260. பின்னாடி காமிச்சிடலாம். Only 1,260 for this with the earrings. So this is very beautiful ma'am. See the design here. $1,260. And one more beautiful trendy set. So இது மாதிரி டிசைன் வந்து வாட்ச்ல தான் இருக்கும். So இப்ப நெக்லஸ்லயும் அதே மாதிரி இருக்கு. So see this piece. Wow. Very unique and very lovely ma'am. அவ்வளோ அழகா இருக்கு. So see the finish. It's a trendy piece ma'am. Trendy design and the earrings is also very good in this. Wow. Beautiful piece in this. Yeah, yes ma'am, you can wear it as 3/4 also, Shanti Devi ma'am. See, like this. You can wear it like this also. This also you can wear. It's a beautiful piece, Shanti Devi ma'am. Yeah, it's a stylish piece also ma'am. Romba stylish ah irukku. Romba different ah irukku, unique ah irukku the piece. And this is the earrings. You can wear it as 3/4 or else you can wear it as a necklace also. So I'll show you the back camera. See the workmanship in the back camera ma'am. See the full of stones, filled with stones and kempo at the center. Yeah, Pushpalata ma'am, very beautiful piece. See the gold pattern finish. And this is priced for rupees 3,830 ma'am. 3,830 for this piece. Full of 80 zircons. 80 zircons will be filled here. And this is the last set for today's live. So this is the last and final set I'm going to show. In this I have two colors. See this finish. Which color? Wow. Very beautiful ma'am. Avlo alaga irukku set. Hi Rama Devi ma'am. Earrings is also too good. Thank you Rama Devi ma'am for your lovely heartens. Wow. Avlo alaga irukku. And this is priced only for 910 rupees ma'am. 910. 910 only for this piece. Only for 910. Take a screenshot and come to the WhatsApp number. Two colors I have in this. So I'll show the two colors in the back camera ma'am. I'll see this piece. This is one and this is one. Two colors I have. Ruby green and white. You please come to the WhatsApp number Medha ma'am for the pearls Moti Mala. Only for 910. Two colors available. My earrings is also too good on this. This is the earrings. Estrada. Kilopo. Inda. Kilopo. Light off on it. Okay, how was the collections today? Hope you all enjoyed the collections. So come back tomorrow I will be coming back tomorrow at 12 p.m. live for another set of collections. Stay tuned for tomorrow's live also. That's it. Signing off. We'll be posting all the collections in the Facebook, Instagram and the YouTube channel also. You can go through the full video again and you can WhatsApp to my number with the screenshots for all your orders or bookings. 73977399200 for all your bookings. So we'll be posting all the collections and you please come to the WhatsApp number with your screenshot. We will be giving our bank details or GPay number, Phone Pay or a Paytm. So which number you need, you can transfer to this payment, pay and send the screenshot with your name, full address and full PIN code. Okay Merlin ma'am. Okay. Thank you so much for all your bookings and all your support till now. Bye-bye.